Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode, we have this right here. This is the CRC Guaranteed to Pass Emission System Cleaner. So it is time for my emissions test on my Kia Soul 2014, and it does have a code. We're going to check it in a while, but I already checked it before I started recording this video, and it is a P0420. So this claims to be able to clear that code. That relates to the catalytic converter. And it can do that, and it can allow my my car to pass the emissions test. So the way this works is that it has simple instructions. You add the entire bottle to the half full tank of gas, and then you drive it for 20 to 40 miles. Afterwards, you fill the tank completely, and then you drive the vehicle normally until the tank is nearly empty, 1/8 tank, and then you refill the tank and take it for the emissions test. So let's go to the garage and let's start that. Okay, so we are in my car and we're going to look at the code. So let me plug it in. Okay, so as you can see, it turns yellow, so it's not going to pass the emissions test. And we do have one code. So let's find out what that code is. Module number 1, read codes, store codes. And sure enough, P0420. So that is the catalyst system efficiency below threshold. That happens when you have a car that's burning oil, and all the oil goes to the catalytic converter. So that's what we have, and this product claims to be able to fix this code. So let's find out if it works. As you can see over here, in the tank is half full, so now it's a good time to pour that in. Okay, so let's add the entire bottle. And the next thing you want to do is make sure you write down this number, the odometer reading. That's just for you to be able to track your 20 to 40 miles that you're going to have to drive it. Okay, folks, so it is nighttime and I have completed the treatment. So it is time to check the codes and see if we are on green. So if this turns yellow, it means that the whole product failed. And if it turns green, that means that it's successful. So let's do this thing. Whoops. Let's plug in the code scanner. So let's wait. So remember, we want a green, not the yellow. Wonk, 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 wonk. Did not work. And let's find out why. And I know you can't read it, but I'll tell you, I'll read it out. So there's no code there. Module number 2. No codes. Pending codes. And there we go. So here's our code. Okay, folks, so we have reached the end of this review, and I am disappointed in this product because it did not work. You saw in the video there was a pending code. So it was not an active code, but a pending code. And in some jurisdictions, you can pass the emissions with just a pending code, but no active code. But in my area, I do need a clean 0 codes. And so no codes at all. And I did drive it a little bit more after I made that video, that last clip. And it did turn into an active code, and then the check engine came on. So at no point was it on green. At no point did I have 0 codes on. I either had a pending code or an active code, but no clean, no zero codes. So in my case, it did not work. It might work for you if in your area a pending code is no problem, but like I said, in my area it is. And what I did to solve the problem and be able to pass the inspection is I went with this product right here that you see on the screen. So this is the one that actually worked, and this is the second or third time I use it, and it keeps working. So this one is the real deal right here. This one works. It takes a while. You have to drive it, I would say 50 miles. You put it in, you follow the instructions like it says on the box, and then you drive it around maybe 40 miles. And then when you put the OBD2 reader, you will get a green light. So that means that there's no codes at all, no pending codes, no active codes. So this is the one that works, and unfortunately this one right here did not. In any case, thank you for watching, subscribe, and thumbs up.